Let's turn an ugly spot into a killer shot. What's up everyone, I'm Sal Sincata, and today we have another episode of Ugly Spot Killer Shot, and I think I got a really good one today. It's Staircase to Nowhere. So we're in this area down in O'Fallon, Illinois. It's a concrete, I think, facility, and they must have done it for marketing purposes. They just have showing that they can build concrete stairs. So we're gonna try and leverage that. Today on camera, we've got the Canon 100-500 with us, and for light, I want a harsh light. We have the Westcott FJ400 II that we'll be using for this, and then of course we have Lauren Smiles with us today. Her first episode of Ugly Spot Killer Shot, mostly because she doesn't pay attention to the episodes. She's not really a dedicated model for us, if you know what I mean. And if you've seen her in a previous episode, she was struggling with folding the scrim. Just so you know, she's still struggling with it. She hasn't figured it out yet. But I digress. Let's get to the shoot. Now, just so you know, I've got a 100-500. Why'd I choose this? Why don't I just use a 70-200, something like that? I want compression, right? So that's why I want that 500 compression. So I'm gonna go across the street to shoot this, but I think it's gonna really give us a sense of compression here. I do like this. Right here, I'm just gonna stand here so I can get lighting dialed in here to make sure I like what I'm looking at. Here we go, 1, 2, test. Yeah, and it's filling really nice here to give us what we want. So Brandy, you'll stay this distance, it's perfect, but you're gonna have to be high. So for you, don't look that way, there's no light there. You're at me and you're this way, okay? And then I need you guys on this side because I'm gonna be half a mile away, focused on details. Here we go, test shot. Yep, I like that, Lauren. Looking at me, beautiful, chin down, love that. I really do like this compression we're getting. Love this, Lauren, stay there, right there. Killer, beautiful. And I'm framing up the stairs. There we go, beautiful. Lauren, can I get you actually like down below sitting? Yep, I don't want to be square into you. I want angles. I like where this is going. That bottom foot, yep, I like that. Lower body looks great. Yeah, there we go, Lauren. I like that a lot. Now this is gonna allow me to kind of zoom in here. Love this, Lauren, beautiful, gorgeous. What I've been doing right now is balancing ambient with flash. So what I wanna do now is I'm gonna underexpose on camera by 2 stops. Fallon's like, what is going on? There's a pretty girl in the stairway to nowhere. Here we go, I'm gonna go underexpose 3 stops. Let's try this now with flash. Okay, so we're gonna crank up flash because we've underexposed by 3 stops, so we really got to bring in some light here, right? And the reason we're doing this, I just want it to look like kind of a hallway type shot, direct on camera flash. I really do like this. It's just really harsh light. Brandy, what if you go higher shooting down? Lauren, I don't like this pose. Can we do something different? What if you're square to me? I know I said I didn't want that. So spread, ooh, I like where this is going. I really like this, Lauren. No, hold on to that ankle. Yeah, can we fix her hair and that collar? Yep, I like this. Chin this way, just a dinch. Down, eyes on me. Here we go, test shot. Love this, here we go, 1, 2. Looking down to your left. Love this, Lauren. Here we go, 1, 2. Right at me. Yes, love this. Chest out, chin down. Chin just a dinch left, right there. Love that, Lauren. All right, here we go. Last one. Love this, guys. Stand by, waiting for that car. Chin left, just a dinch. Eyes on me, 1, 2. Gorgeous, girl. Here we go, Lauren, 1, 2, watch those eyes. Chin down, right there, Lauren, that's so much stronger. 1, 2. All right, so now what we've done is we've switched to a 50mm lens, 1, 2, no flash, just to get an even different look in here. And then of course we're using a reflector. It's not throwing much light because it's getting dark here, but it's giving us enough to get some pop in our eyes so that we're not just lifeless in the eyes. Let me see here, right there, you see that? Here we go, 1, 2. I like this, Lauren. It's very brutalist looking. Good job, I like that. What can we do with the legs? Because I just got this one knee popping up. I'm cutting at your butt, that level. So I don't know what we can do. Maybe the knee, see what I'm saying? I don't like that knee just popping out.
Yeah.
Okay, I can deal with that. This hand, maybe it's on this wrist. I like that. Shimmy the shoulders. Yeah, go this way with it. Love that. Can you move over here with the light? This one's gonna be a little harder. So the light's coming from there. See what you have to do? You have to almost trick it right there. You got it? There you go. Love that, Lauren. Beautiful. Yep, like the eye contact. Perfect. Love this. I feel like that's a wrap.
Yeah.
Right? We've gotten some killer stuff, different lenses. We're using
Killer stuff or
killer shots. Sorry, stand corrected yet again by our producer. I just can't figure this stuff out. Anyway, so we got a really killer shot, set of shots, and now Lauren has been broken into Ugly Spot Killer Shot. Hopefully she'll watch this episode. I'm not sure if she will or not. Will you watch it? Can you redeem yourself?
I think I have.
I hope so. All right, so we'll see. Hopefully, right, what we do here, we're using composition, we're using lens choice with compression. Then we came in with a 50 millimeter at 1.2 and then just used a reflector. So many ways to turn just, I mean, literally a staircase to nowhere into something really, really more interesting. So hopefully you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next video. You got it? Let's do it.
I was watching her out of my peripheral.
Do it. There it is. You're so close.
Keep going.
So close. Keep going.
Go. Keep going. So close.
I can't.
Right there. It's so close.
Are you laughing at her? You shouldn't be laughing because 90% of you can't do it either. We'll see you in the next video.